This is something that I just received from Field Company. It's their brand new number 4 cast iron skillet. This won't be available probably until the week of April 22nd, but I wanted to give you guys the first look. Here we go. And once again, it's beautiful. Gorgeous. Anybody that collects cast iron skillets knows that number 4s are hard to find. They're usually pretty expensive. But that's nice. Casting's beautiful on that. And of course the surface is impeccable, just like all their other skillets. Let's move this box out of the way. So that's nice. So in case you're wondering how this compares to maybe a vintage skillet, this is my number 4 Griswold, so you can kind of get a size comparison there. Pretty close in weight too. I don't have official weights on this right now, but it's pretty close. But nice. All right, so let's do a quick measurement on this. This is going to be about 6 3/4 across. This joins their number 8 skillet, which was first. That's my first casting, number 8. And then after that, there came the number 10. It's my number 10 first casting. And then after that, there came the big number 12. There you go. And rumor has it that they might be working on number 6 right now, so that'll be cool. So there you have it, the number 4 cast iron skillet from Field Company. This will be available the week of April 22nd, 2019. I will put a link below in the comments. Thanks a lot.